yeah. So, let's just get on with the video. So, yeah. So today we're gonna make a slime, and people keep on like saying, "Hey, could you make a slime versus slime, but like not any kind of slime, like the Japan slime they make? I don't know if you guys know that, but they make Japan slime, and I've ordered it, and I got it. So today I'm gonna try to do it later after this video. So yeah. So the only ingredients you need is some glue. Let's get that out of there. Shaving cream. Just need to get it out of there. Some condensate solution. Get that out of there. Some cream. A container. And a spoon of mix. So I'm gonna skip all this part for you guys. But I'll tell you what to put first. Let's get started. Okay guys, I put all the ingredients in already. Let's go. Let's put all the ingredients. I make a dream, 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 louder than the mountains. I dream, 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 louder than the mountains. Oh, everybody gotta put everything. Everybody gotta go. Drop, drop to the floor. Drop, drop to the floor. Drop, 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 drop to the floor. Oh my god. So guys, yeah, I just made the slime. Can I do the ding? So guys, yeah, let's just get some ASMR up closer too. Okay guys, so let me just put that side. Like that. So yeah, let's just do some ASMR. Okay guys, I don't really know you can see that much because I don't have the lighting. I have an idea, guys. Wait. And it doesn't work. So, I'm going to have to get like something, like a flashlight or something, because I can't see you. And I want to see how it's. Hold on, guys. Sorry about the background. They were talking. Okay, I got a flashlight for you guys could see the slime, because I really want you guys to see the slime, how cool it looks. So yeah, so that's how it looks, and it's super cool. Sorry if you guys can't really see it, but that's how much I can put into my effort and get all that hair away. So. Sorry guys, I like see a hair on the floor, and my grandma just cleaned this floor yesterday, today. I don't know what happened. Sorry about the background. My grandma's talking to my mom. Oh, sorry guys, if it's really bright, this is the only thing that I can make it bright. So that's there. Sorry about this part, like it's shadow. So guys, the ingredients I already showed you is some glue, some shaving cream, some lotion, a container, and a spoon to mix, and the final ingredients, some contacts, and food cleansing. So guys, I thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Hope you get one of the biggest thumbs up you ever got. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. And this is my slime so far. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and give it up the biggest thumbs up ever. Comment down below what kind of slime you guys like, and I'll try it. Bye guys!